Hi, and welcome to week 4 of Vlogtober, day 20. It's already the 20th of October. This is crazy. Wasn't it just October 1st not too long ago? Anyway, I did manage to catch up my temperature blanket. Yay! I'm not behind anymore. I got yesterday's temperatures I gotta do. So, I got varsity orange, what's left of the first skein of that. Because it was like 70 something yesterday. But the overnight low, I had to look up what it was because it got down to varsity blue. I think this is what this is. Yeah, it's varsity blue, which is the temperature range 20 to 29. Yeah, it got down to 29 degrees last night. Not that I could tell, I was frying. I don't have the heater on, so I don't know why it gets hot in here so much. So I get to do that. My poor piano is covered again. I also need to shoot a Yarn With Me episode at some point today. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get it and do it before my youngest daughter comes over. I don't know. So, yeah, I thought I'd also maybe do a Frog It Friday video, but, I don't know yet. My collar keeps moving, and I found a thumb splint. So that's been helping. I'm hoping when I go back to work tomorrow that the medium size latex gloves will fit over this, because I really don't want to use large because my hands are small. The mediums are just a smidge too big, and smalls are just way too small. Because there was one time we couldn't find medium gloves, so we're like trying to put these on, and I was over it because I put one on and I broke it. It ripped, and I'm just like, okay, that's enough of this. I think I'm just going to put some larges on and just deal with it because it was getting on my nerves. And then you peel the small gloves off, and it feels like you're peeling like the top 20 layers of your skin off. So yeah, that's fun. So I'm going to sit and I'm going to do my temperature blanket stuff from yesterday today. Yay, I'm so happy I'm caught up. But I have run into just a small issue. Okay, so I managed to get that gray yarn made all of the gray blocks that I needed. And I got one border bottom attached to December that needed to be. But this is all I have left of that gray. So when I was looking it up online, it was mostly out of stock. I went on one site, I can't remember which one it was, I think it was Michael's. And I was like, oh good, they have it. But they wanted me to buy a minimum of 6 skeins of gray yarn. I'm like, I don't need 6 skeins of gray yarn. I could order it from Yarnspirations, but I keep hearing tales of like that it takes so long to ship from there, and it takes forever, and it's like, I don't want to wait forever for this stuff. So at some point, I'm going to have to like go to Michael's and see if they actually have it in the store. Because when I went over there, to the website, it was saying online only, and I'm like, I hope not. I just need one damn skein. That's it. One jumbo skein of light gray yarn. That's all I need to finish stuff. So I cannot attach September to August, or cannot attach July, August, of September to the rest of the other 6 months that I've already attached. So therein lies the problem. But let me grab it. Oh, maybe not. I do have this. It is not the same color. And what's weird is, you see, I took part of it out just to see, just in case if I didn't have enough to do the blocks, I would use this. But the color change is so different. And even then, this color that I started on the inside of this cake is absolutely not the same color as this that's on the outside. So I don't know. It's also, it would probably match. This yarn is like really old, and I don't remember. This was the houndstooth scarf that I frogged. Now, I know it's going to be kind of hard to see, but old Red Heart yarn used to have like this sheen to it, and that's what this has. So it makes it look like it's a different color. This is, however, more of a matte color and how Red Heart is now. So I'm not sure what to do. I might just try to attach it, use the outside of the cake, because this color is just a little darker. But I did acquire black yarn, and that should take me to the rest of the year. All I needed was this. So I'm going to pull from the outside and do and attach September to August and see if that is distracting. Because it is just a crochet temperature blanket for me. I'm not making it for anybody. It's mine. So I am not being picky with it. And I will do a, sometime in January, I will do a afterthought temperature blanket video. All the things that I've learned and then what to do and what not to do. I also have access to courses on YouTube, which kind of threw me. I'm like, what is this? I was like, I can mark a playlist as a course, which I really don't have like multiple videos. Most of all my tutorials are just one video. But I do have a project in mind, and I need to go and get more of them baskets from the Dollar Tree. Didn't quite get there, so I'm going to do it after I get off work tomorrow, because it's just, that Dollar Tree is just right around the corner from where I work and not too far from where I live. So I'm going to pick those up so I can clean that table off, and then I can make a plan, which I probably should do sometime today, write out an outline of what I want to do, and then just do it as soon as I get that table cleared off, of course. So I'm going to stop vlogging for right now. I might vlog later. I don't know. If I don't, I'm just going to upload this and we'll see. And if I don't, I'm going to, all right, I'll see you again tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video, or I'm going to continue this one later on tonight. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you later.